Hi everyone, welcome back. We have unboxed TCL QLED Google TVs before, and this one is no different, except it's bigger. Let's fast forward and get straight to it. As always, TCL keep it simple: TV, power cable, voice remote, batteries, user manual, and the stand. Same design, ultra thin bezel, a sturdy build. The back panel has all the essential ports: HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and optical audio. Dolby Atmos give you immersive audio. Built-in speakers are decent. You might not need a soundbar for this. QLED panel 4K HDR and Dolby Vision, just like others. Google TV with built-in Chromecast, Google Assistant, and all your favorite streaming apps. No surprises here. If you have seen my other TCL QLED Google TV reviews, you know what to expect. The only different size. If you want a bigger screen, this one is for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech unboxings. See you in the next one.